Let us start. Exercise 1D, sixth question. Sixth question we have evaluate. First it is minus 1 into 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 minus 1, then it is multiplied 60 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into 60 times. It is written minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. It is multiplied 60 times. So I have told you, whenever minus sign is multiplied even number of times, so you check whether this number 60 is even or odd. Yes, this is even number, no? So whenever minus sign is multiplied even number of times, the answer is plus 1. The answer is plus 1, or simply you can write 1. You can write simply 1. So whenever minus sign is multiplied even number of times, the answer is plus 1. Okay, mute the microphone. Minus 1 sign is multiplied even number of times, the answer is plus 1. Minus 1 sign multiplied even number of times, 60 is even, so answer will be plus 1. Now second, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 75 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, and it is multiplied 75 times. So you have to check whether number is minus 1 is multiplied odd number of times or even number of times. Write down this. This 75 is odd number because this does not come in the table of 2. Even number means those number which comes in the table of 2 or those number which are divisible by 2. Odd number means those number which does not come in the table of 2 or those are not divisible by 2. So 75 is odd number. So whenever minus sign is multiplied odd number of times, the answer is minus 1. The answer is minus 1. So whenever minus sign is multiplied even number of times, 60 times, the answer is plus 1 or 1. Whenever minus sign is multiplied odd number of times, the answer is minus 1. 75 is odd number. So answer will be minus 1. Now let us start seventh one. Seventh one is also evaluate. Evaluate, it is minus 2 first. Minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4. No, it is clear. Minus 4 into minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 6. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 6. So whenever minus signs are multiplied, this is multiplication. First you have to multiply the sign. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. So final sign is minus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Second thing, now you have to multiply the number. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120, 126 are 720. So answer is minus 720. Answer is minus 720. Is it clear? Answer is minus 720. Then second, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 9 into minus 12. So this I am giving homework. Repeating, this will be homework. This will be homework. Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So final sign will be plus. Then you have to multiply the number. 3 into 6 into 9 into 12. That's all. So whenever minus sign is there, you have to multiply the sign first. After multiplying the sign, you have to multiply the numbers. That's all. Then third one, it is minus 11, third one, minus 11 into minus 15, minus 11 into minus 15 plus minus 11 into minus 25, minus 11 into minus 25, minus 11 into minus 25. So whenever, how many operations you can see? Multiplication, addition, multiplication. So you follow BODMAS. So which you will perform first, multiplication or addition? Multiplication. So these two I will multiply. These two I will multiply. So that is minus 11, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, and this is 15 into 11 is 165. Then plus minus 11 into minus 25. Now again which sign you can see? Plus and multiplication. So which you will perform first? BODMAS. Multiplication. So this is 165. Minus into minus plus 11 into 25, 11 into 25, 11 5 is 55, 275. So minus into minus plus 275. Now you add plus you have to add 5 plus 5 10, 440. Answer is 440. Very good. Answer is 440 plus 440. Then fourth one, 10 into minus 12, 10 into minus 12 plus 5 into minus 12, 5 into minus 12. So this I am giving homework. Plus into minus, then plus into minus. So minus, you will be, add the number, take the common sign. You want me to solve this? Yes? Okay. Chalo, let me solve this. Yes, very good, absolutely correct answer. Yes. So absolutely correct answer. So let me give this as homework. Let me give this homework, no problem. Because many of you are getting the correct answer. Now eighth one. Eighth first. Wait my dear. If x into minus 1 is equal to minus 36, then question is x positive or negative? 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 The question mark. So let us solve this. I will see. No, my dear, we are not magicians. Remember, we are mathematicians. So before we have to work out, we do not give the answer. So x into minus 1 is equal to minus 36. Now remember, before equal to, it is my left hand side, and after equal to, it is my right hand side. And whenever you change the side, plus become minus become plus, multiplication becomes division becomes multiplication. So where is minus 1? Minus 1 is there in the multiplication. Minus 1 is there in the multiplication on left hand side. So when I will take minus 1 on the right hand side, it will go in the division. Minus 1 is there in the multiplication. So minus 1 will go in the division. So you will get x is equal to minus 36 upon minus 1. And I have minus sign get cancelled. Minus of numerator get cancelled with minus of denominator. What is that? 36 upon 1. So that is 36. What is sign of 36? Positive. Plus. So x is positive. Is it clear? So some of you gave the answer minus. Don't become a magician. By seeing the question you give the answer. Do not do any magic. You become a mathematician by solving the problem. So minus minus sign of numerator denominator get cancelled. So the answer is plus 36. So answer is x is positive. X is positive. X is positive. Yes, mute the microphone. Now second, if x into minus 1 is equal to plus 36, then is x positive or negative? Is x positive or negative? Is x positive or negative? Mute the microphone, my dear. Otherwise, I will remove. That is the only option. Solution: x into minus 1 is equal to plus 36. Correct? Now, before equal to, it is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. So, whenever we change the side of any number, plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. So minus 1 is there in the multiplication on left side. So when I will take minus 1 on the right hand side, it will go in the division. So you will get x is equal to 36 upon minus 1. 36 upon minus 1. What is sign of 36? Plus 36. What is sign of minus 1? Minus 1. So plus upon minus is minus. In division I have told you, I have explained you. In division, plus upon plus is plus, plus upon minus is minus, minus upon plus is minus, minus upon minus is plus. In division, this is the table of division I had given you. So it is plus upon minus, so x will be minus 36. What is the answer? X is negative or positive? Negative. X is negative. So that division table you remember. Division table you remember. Plus upon plus, plus, plus upon minus, minus, minus upon plus, minus, minus upon minus, plus. So it is plus upon minus. So answer is minus 36. So x. So answer is x is negative. Answer is x is negative. Clear? Answer is x is negative. Let us solve ninth one. Let us solve ninth one. 9th and 10th, they are important question. 9th and 10th, they are important question. Important question means you have to be careful. You have to be careful. 9th one. No, my dear. From my side, it is very much. Yes. Now 9th one. Write all the integers. Yes. Mute the microphone. Write all the integers. Write all the integers between minus 15 and plus 15. Between minus 15 and plus 15. Which are divisible by 2 and 3. Which are divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Yes. So now in this what you have to remember, see. Before we start this, let me explain the concept. Between means you have to exclude the end numbers. Exclude or omit. Exclude or omit the end numbers. Between means you have to exclude the end numbers. And means both. And means both. And means both. Is it clear? So now let us and means both, and between means you have to exclude the end numbers. That's all. See, and means both. Then or means anyone. Or means anyone or both. Or means anyone or both. But and means both. And means both only. Is it clear? So these are the wordings you have to remember. Between means you have to exclude the end numbers. And means both. Or means anyone or both. Both. or means anyone or both, and means compulsion, and means compulsion. For example, there are two students, Ram and Shyam. I am teaching in the classroom. Ram and Shyam, they comes at write on this. Write on this. Ram and Shyam, they comes at the door of the classroom. They are seeking my permission. Sir, may I come in? May I come in? Both of them, Ram and Shyam. If my answer is Ram and Shyam both come in, I have used the word and. That means both will come inside. But if I will say either Ram or Shyam, anyone come in, means either Ram can come or Shyam can come or both can come. But whenever I am using and means both. So let us solve this. Write all the integers between minus 15 and 15. So let us first write all the integers. Let us write all the integers between minus 15 and plus 15. So it is minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So these are the integers from minus 15 to plus 15. But what is there in the question? It is and. It is between. Between means you have to exclude the end number. Between means you have to exclude the end numbers. Whenever it is between, you have to exclude the end numbers. So among these numbers, among these integers, we have to find which integers are divisible by 2 and 3 both. 2 and 3 both. If it is divisible by anyone, then I will not consider. The number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. 2 and 3 means both 2 and 3, not anyone. Yes, let me write. 2 and 3 means both 2 and 3. Both 2 and 3. Not anyone. Not anyone. It should be divided by both. So let us take the number minus 14. Minus 14. So we write the integers between integers between minus 15 and plus 15. Between minus 15 and plus 15. Mute the microphone, my dear. Which are divisible by 2 and 3. Which are divisible by 2 and 3. Which are divisible by 2 and 3. Which are divisible by 2 and 3 are. Let us see. Can we take minus 14? Yes. See, 14 is divisible by 2. But 14 is not divisible by 3 and we want both. So 14 will not be there. 13 not divisible by 2 and 3. 12 I can divide by 2. 12 I can divide by 3. So minus 12 will come. Minus 12 will come. Now let us see next number. Minus 11 not divisible by 2 and 3. Now 10 is divisible by 2 but 10 is not divisible by 3. It will not come. Minus 9 is divisible by 3 not 2. 8 is divisible by 2 not 3. Minus 7 not divisible. 6 minus 6 6 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. 6 2s are 2, 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So minus 6 will come. Then after minus 6, minus 5 not divisible by 2 and 3. 4 is divisible by 2, 3 is divisible by 3, 2 is divisible by 2. No, 0 will come. Because you can divide 0 by any number. You can divide 0 by any number. 0 will come. Then 1 will not come. 2 will not come, 3 will not come, 4 will not come, 5 will not come, 6 will come. 6 will come. 6 plus 6. All this. Then 7 not divisible. Wait, 8 divisible by 2 not 3. 9 divisible by 3, not 2. 10 divisible by 2, not 3. 11 not divisible. Then 12 will come. Then 12. 2 and then 13 not divisible by 2 and 3. 14 divisible by 2, but 14 not divisible by 3. So this I will not consider. Only these are the number which are divisible by 2 and 3. And means both. And means both. If it is, write down this all. Write down all this. Write down all this, my dear. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then only I will take that number. If it is divisible by only 1, then I will not take. And means both. And means both. Then 10th one. Write all the integers between -5 and +5. Write all the integers. Write all the integers between. Write all the integers between -5 and +5. -5 and +5, which are divisible by 2 or 3. Which are divisible by 2 or 3. Or means any one or both. Which are divisible by 2 or 3. Now this is or. Or means one or both. Or means any one or both. Or means any one or both. And means both. Between means you have to exclude the end numbers. From means you have to include the end number. That all. Between means you have to include the end numbers. You have to exclude the end numbers whenever it is between. Whenever it is from, you have to include the end numbers. So again it is between. Between. So let me write the integers between -5 and +5. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now it is, right. Now this is between. Between means I will exclude the end number. Between means I will exclude the end number. Now these integers are left. So now this is 2 or 3. 2 or 3 means any one or both. Any one or both. Even if it is divisible by one number also, then also we take, because it is or. So we write integers between -5 and 5. Integers between -5 and 5. Between -5 and 5. Which are divisible by 2 or 3. Which are divisible by 2 or 3. Mute the microphone, yes. Which are divisible by 2 or 3. 2 or 3 are, yes, let us take. Can we take 4? -4 will come, because -4 you can divide by 2. It is or. Or means anyone. Or means anyone or both. -4 I can divide by 2. -4 will come. -3 will also come, because -3 you can divide by 3. Then -2 will also come, divisible by 2. Then 1 will not come. 1 will not come. Then 0 will come. 0 you can divide by any number. Then 1 will not come. Then 2 will come. Then 3 will come. 3 will come. 4 will come. Okay, so these are the integer between -5 and +5 which are divisible by 2 or 3. Or means anyone. Or means anyone or both. And means both. Between means you have to exclude the 4 also. 4 we can divide by 2, and it is or. Or means anyone. So even if it is divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, still we take, because it is or. If it is and, then it should be divisible by both. And means there is a compulsion, both. Or there is no compulsion. Or there is no compulsion, anyone. But whenever it is and means the number should be divisible by both. Then evaluate the following using BODMAS and bracket. See, we have seen the bracket. Yes or no? We have seen the bracket. This is known as vinculum bracket. Then we have seen parenthesis. Then we have seen curly bracket. And then we have seen square bracket. First we simplify vinculum. Then parenthesis. then curly, then square bracket, and then we have BODMAS. First we open the bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So this type of problems we have already done. Let me write all the problems. Evaluate, because we have already done, my dear. We have already done. Evaluate. Evaluate first. I am writing the question because some of you are not having textbook. Minus 20 plus minus 8 divided by minus 2 into 3. Yes, you tell me first you will perform which operation? Minus 8 divided by minus 2 you will perform. Yes. Now second, we have done this type of problem. Minus 5 minus minus 48 divided by minus 16 plus minus 2 into 6 plus minus 2 into 6. First, which operation you will perform? Minus 48 divided by minus 16. Yes, so third one 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into, no my dear, first you will perform division. Yes. Write down first all the question. 16 divided by 8, first write down all the questions. 16 divided by 8 into 4 minus 2 into 3. Then fifth one, write down all the question first. 27 minus square bracket 5 plus parenthesis, not parenthesis, curly bracket 28 minus parenthesis 29 minus 7, parenthesis get closed, curly bracket get closed, square bracket get closed. That's all. Then sixth one, bracket, yes. First you will simplify parenthesis, first parenthesis, then curly, then square bracket. Yes, first you will simplify parenthesis, then curly, then square bracket. First vinculum, then parenthesis, then curly, then square, and inside that bracket you have to follow BODMAS. Then sixth one, let me first write all the problem, then we'll see which one we have to do. Sixth one, 48 minus square bracket, 48 minus square bracket, 18 minus curly bracket, 16 minus parenthesis, 5 minus 4 plus 1, parenthesis close, curly bracket closed, square bracket closed, and there is a vinculum over 4 plus 1. There is a vinculum over 4 plus 1. There is a vinculum, yes, 6th, 7th, minus 8 minus curly bracket 6 minus parenthesis minus 6, then parenthesis 9 minus 11 plus 18 divided by 3 then curly bracket get closed, then eighth one it is parenthesis 24 divided by 12 minus 9 and there is vinculum over 12 minus 9 vinculum, then parenthesis get closed, 12 minus 9 vinculum, then it is minus 12, parenthesis get closed, minus parenthesis 3 into 8 divided by 4 plus 1, 3 into 8 divided by 4 plus 1, and parenthesis get closed. So now which one I should do? Let me solve seventh one. Chalo. Let me solve seventh one. Okay. So these remaining are homework. Homework. Remaining are homework. Seventh I will do. Let me do seventh one. See, in mathematics you remember, my dear, that's all, nothing is there in seventh one. See, in mathematics you remember this. You remember AB means it is A dot B, and dot is same as multiplication, A cross B. So whenever it is written AB means it is A into B, multiplication sign is there. Are you getting? AB means it is A dot B or A cross B. AB means A is multiplied to B. Now let us solve seventh one. Let us solve seventh one. Minus 8 minus curly bracket minus 6. My dear, it is clear. 9 minus 11 plus 18 divided by 3. Then curly bracket closed. So first you will simplify. Yes. How many brackets you can see? Parenthesis and curly bracket. Which you will simplify first? Parenthesis. So other number we write as it is, minus 8 minus 6. 6. What is? Now see. 9 minus 11 is minus 2. So into minus 2. See, minus 6, there is nothing, means it is dot. Minus 6 into minus 2. Okay. Plus 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. Now, which one you will perform first? Which? No, my dear. Now we will perform division. Yes. 18 divided. So this is minus 8 minus 6 into minus 2 plus A divided by B is A upon B. 18 upon 3. 18 upon 3. You can cancel 18 with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So this is minus 8 minus 6 into minus 2 plus 6. Now you have multiplication and you have addition. So first I will perform multiplication. Yes. 12. Yeah. Yes. Absolutely correct. So that will be minus 8 minus into minus plus 6 into 2 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6. Now I will simplify curly bracket. So that will be minus 8. What is 12 plus 6? 18. 18, but outside it is minus, so it is minus 18. Correct? Now two integer have minus sign. Minus means same sign. No, not plus. Minus add. Minus add. Don't say plus. Minus will be plus whenever there is multiplication. There is no multiplication. So minus means you have to add the number and take the common sign. 18 plus 8 is 26. Common sign is minus. Answer is minus 26. Answer is minus 26. Now let me solve 8th also. Chalo. Let me solve 8th also. No problem. Let me solve 8th. So this is, first I will simplify vinculum. So that is 24 divided by 12 minus 9 is 3. First I will simplify vinculum. So 3 into 8 divided by 4 plus 1. Are you getting? Now which you will perform first? Yes, division or division. Arey bhai, vinculum is over now. There is no vinculum. Now we have to simplify division. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So that is 8 minus 12 minus 3 into 8. 3 into 8 divided by 4 plus 1. So now first you will simplify. What is 8 minus 12? This is having plus sign and this is having minus sign. So plus minus opposite sign you have to subtract. 12 minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4. Minus, in this what you will perform first? Division or multiplication? Division. So this will write 3 into 8 divided by 4 is 2 plus 1. So this is minus 4. Minus, now which you will perform first? Multiplication or addition? Multiplication. 6 plus 1. So again this is minus 4. Minus 6 plus 1 is 7. Now this is having minus sign and this is having minus sign. Minus minus same sign. Minus, you will add the number. 7 plus 4 is 11. Take the common sign minus. Minus 11. Minus 11 is the answer. Okay, so this complete our exercise number 11. So now 3 more problems are left that we will do tomorrow, so that first chapter will get over tomorrow. Okay, now we stop here. Do the homework and send me the homework solution on the WhatsApp. Yes. Bye everybody.